Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make your fish tank look beautiful, full guide. Start by selecting a focal point and a theme, then plan foreground, midground, and background plant placement. Choose substrate that complements your decor and hides equipment. Balance hardscape pieces so they guide the eye naturally. Keep open swimming areas and consider fish size when spacing decor to avoid overcrowding and maintain healthy water flow throughout. Healthy plants transform a tank into a lush underwater scene, so choose species that fit your light setup and skill level. Position taller plants at the rear and sides to frame the view while leaving open swimming space. Adjust light duration and intensity gradually to avoid algae, and fertilize or add CO2 if needed for demanding plants. Prune regularly and replant trimmings to keep growth balanced and attractive. Careful fish selection and thoughtful layout make the tank both beautiful and functional. Combine schooling fish for motion with a few centerpiece species for interest, and avoid mixing aggressive and timid species. Create caves, tunnels, and plants for shelter while keeping open swimming lanes. Maintain consistent filtration and perform regular water changes to keep water crystal clear, which highlights colors and keeps plants and fish thriving for a stunning display.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.